In this video, we'll be doing one more example of integrating definite integrals with u-substitution. Our problem is to evaluate the integral from 0 to 7 of x times the cube root of x plus 1 dx. Now we'll let u equal x plus 1, so du is equal to dx. And we also have to sub in for this x right here. So we'll take this equation and solve for x, and we get x is equal to u minus 1. Now our limits of integration, we have x equals 0 as the lower limit, and x equals 7 as the upper limit. So our u substitution will give us u equals 0 plus 1. So u equals 1 is now the lower limit of integration. And u equals 7 plus 1. U equals 8 is our upper limit of integration. So now if we sub in, we get the integral from 1 to 8 of x, which is u minus 1, times the cube root of u, and I'm going to write that as u to the 1/3, and then dx is du. Let's distribute this u to the 1/3 through the binomial, so I'm integrating from 1 to 8 of u to the 4/3 minus u to the 1/3 du. So we now have 4/3 increased by 1 is 7/3. So we have 3/7 u to the 7/3 minus, and this will be 4/3, so 3/4 u to the 4/3 evaluated from 1 to 8. When I put 8 in here, I get 3/7 times the cube root of 8 is 2 to the 7th, which is 128, minus 3/4. The cube root of 8 is 2 to the 4th power is 16. Minus, and then I need to sub a 1 into this expression. So I have 3/7 times 1 minus 3/4 times 1. Do the math here, we get 384 over 7 minus 12. Distribute this minus in here, so it's minus 3/7. And this minus in here makes this plus 3/4. Do the math, we get 1,209 over 28, which is approximately 43.18.